everyone and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, we will explore how to sum up a column in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. First, open your Excel workbook that contains the data in the column you want to sum. Click on the cell just below the column you want to sum. Now you have to enter the sum formula. Type equal sign and write sum and put a past bracket. Then select the cells you want to sum. Then another bracket, press enter. Here you can see we have got the sum total. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.